The man accused of the murder of a healthcare executive was in court today for a pivotal hearing in his federal murder case.
Bradley Blackburn reports from the courthouse in New York, where the judge set jury selection for early September.
A line of people gathered outside the federal courthouse waiting for a seat at Luigi Mangione's high-stakes hearing. The 27-year-old is charged in the fatal shooting of a healthcare executive a year ago in an ambush on a New York City sidewalk. His legal team is fighting to block the government from seeking the death penalty. Their argument centers on the charge that Mangione used a firearm in the commission of a violent crime. They say the charge is flawed and should be dismissed.
What the federal government has done is they've charged Mangione with stalking, and they've said that is the crime of violence. And the defense is saying stalking is not necessarily a crime of violence. It is a crime, but it's not the kind of violent crime that would underlie the death penalty.
Mangione's lawyers also argue authorities prejudiced the case by turning his arrest into a spectacle after a 5-day manhunt.
There are arguments that the government has poisoned the well against Luigi Mangione by making a multiple of public statements declaring him guilty and saying that it's appropriate to seek the death penalty.
Mangione's case tapped into widespread frustration with the health insurance industry. Supporters gathered at the courthouse to show their solidarity. Friday's hearing concerned only the federal case against Mangione, but there is a state murder case as well. He has pleaded not guilty to all charges. Bradley Blackburn, CBS News, New York.